So what you want to do is, see this glove compartment, you open it and you press. Before you press these, there's two ways to do it. You can either take this off or unscrew that with the screwdriver, which I'll show you in a minute. Screw it. Now it's done. And then you press this one here, and then on this side as well, on both ends. And this thing should go down. Make sure you pop this out. There we go. So to take off the filter, you have to press a button, move this wire out of the way, right here, and pull it. And same thing on this side. Pull it, and then you just pull it out, just like that. There it is, the filter. What you want to do is pick it up. Also, the airflow is supposed to be going down when you install it back. Mine's not too bad. I mean, it's kind of dirty. I'll replace it later, but I can just dust it off. Make sure you put it this way. Where's the airflow? Right there. Airflow. Put it in. Make sure it stays under these plastic things. Under this. And you put it in. Same way how you took it off. Make sure the wires are not in the way. And make sure it clicks. It kind of clicks.